Now, one of the interesting things about the North Cascades is the weather. There's a lot of precipitation that falls here at the North Cascades. On average, something like 100 inches of rain and melted snow. A lot of snow. This is one of the snowiest places on Earth, apparently. They get like 400 to 600 inches of snow around here. Ridiculous. In fact, the Mount Baker ski area nearby recorded the most amount of snowfall in a year. 1998 to 1999 was a big year for those guys. They hit 95 feet for the year. It's over 1,100 inches. That's crazy. And another interesting thing is that there's a big rain shadow effect to the east of here. So while there's like 100 inches of precip a year here, there's only about 20, 30 that they get down east of the Cascades. Well, this whole Pacific Northwest area gets a lot of precipitation. Very northern California up into British Columbia. And so why is that? Well, first of all, we're close to the Pacific Ocean, right? There's plenty of moisture not far from here. But also, it's a good latitude for it. There's a lot of storms that kind of come through this area. And that's largely because of the Aleutian low that sets up the northern Pacific up towards Alaska. It's a semi-permanent low-pressure area with a lot of storms that come out of there, and they're directed right into this latitude. And then they encounter these big mountains. So what happens when air encounters mountains? It gets forced up. When you go higher in elevation, it cools down, right? And what happens is this temperature decreases and it can get down to its dew point. The dew point is a measure of how much moisture is in the air. So say it's at 50 degrees and the air temperature is 60 degrees. Well, if you cool it down from 60 down to 50, now you matched the dew point, so you can hit saturation, and you can have clouds and precipitation. And so the storms have already, they've got clouds and precipitation with them. The mountains just enhance it even more. And then on the backside of the mountain range, the air goes down, warms up, and so that decreases your chances of rain on that side.